for staying with us today. It has been a long day for everyone. I am here to introduce to you or let you know what GCash is doing. I only have two agendas today. One is to inform you of where we are right now and what GCash is doing. Second is to introduce to you the GCash for Business. I know all of you think that GCash is only for consumers or users. May I know kung sino po dito ang existing GCash user? Yes? Yes. Okay, great. Sino po dito ngayon, alam ko lahat tayo negosyante, may sarili po tayong negosyo. Sino po dito ngayon ang tumatanggap ng GCash for payments? Great. So, marami pa pong hindi tumatanggap. Sino rin po dito ang nakakaalam na meron din po kamong payroll disbursement na pwede po kayong magpasweldo diretsyo na sa GCash number ng employees ninyo? Wala pa. So, perfect. Today is the perfect time that you are here because we want to let you know kung ano pa yung mga services natin. And lastly, sino po dito ang madalas magbayad o mag-shopping online? Siyempre, yan. Okay, great. So, no further ado, I'd like to introduce to you GCash for Business. So, we have been a pioneer on the fintech space. As you know, we are the #1 fintech app in the Philippines. We have secured a double unicorn in terms of investment from other countries. I'd like to introduce to you that we have been doing and improving all our products and services to cater to your customers and to you as well as entrepreneurs. No, GCash is existing for a long years now. Mga 15 years na siya, but it became an app in 2015. Okay? So, we have been improving our products. I know most of you familiar sa mga use cases inside our app. Okay? So, let me introduce to you. Sino nakakaalam dito kung ilan na ang users ng GCash nationwide? Anyone? Who can guess? Who wants to get a GCash today? Any guesses? Ilan na po ang users ni GCash?
47 million.
47 million. Meron bang kokontra sa 47 million? Anyone?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
11M.
11M.
11 million users. Meaning users nag-register, may app sa cellphone nila. Yes, sir. Ilan po?
81 po.
81 million. Anyone?
81 million.
Yes, sir. 20 million? 20 million. Okay. Sige si ma'am.
100 million.
100 million.
100
Alam niyo
million.
po ba kung ilan population meron tayo ngayon?
179M.
Naku, parang yung 179, dalawang countries na yun, madam. Yes, sir. Okay, sige, tapusin na natin to. Did you know we are at a 110 million population, right? GCash now has 92 million registered user nationwide. Imagine reaching to 92 million users. If you accept GCash payment right now, you will have access to this user base, right? You know why we reached that number? Why 92 million? Because of these use cases. Anong favorite use case nyo? Anong favorite service ang ginagawa nyo sa GCash?
Sending money tsaka yung load.
Siyempre, sending money. Favorite ko yung receiving money. Okay. Yes, yes. Our #1 use case in the app is send money. Okay? I think if I am correct, no? Last year, there's about 2 or 3 trillion pesos who flows in and out of our GCash app. And that is a very significant number for the Philippines economy. Because we know we are reaching or na monitor natin yung galaw ng money inside the app and we are being technically taxed for it if you accept. Now, if you do accept GCash payment, not only that you help the economy of the Philippines, it makes you also increase your, not only that you would increase your sales, you are also helping our economy. So this is our use cases inside our app. So send money, sabi ni Sir, QR payment, ito yung sinasabi ko, na ginagamit nyo rin sa mga negosyo nyo ngayon. Bank transfer, right? Interbank transfer, any other banks are inside our app now. GCash padala, even if you are not a GCash user, did you know na pwede rin kayo makareceive ng remittances locally? Even if you are not a GCash user. Okay? Payment, pay bills. We have more than 2,000 pay billers inside our app. Mobile load, payroll, online, right? The last three use cases that I will discuss to you, relevant to sa negosyo ninyo. Okay? Right now, I know, you know, that you can grow your money when it's inside our app. We have multiple partners, like the CIMB, Uno Bank, BPI, Maybank, which is with us today, to grow your money through savings. Okay? There's also investment, right? We democratize our stock trading, right? You can, as low as 50 pesos, you can trade stocks or you can buy stocks within the app na parang nagsha-shopping na rin kayo. We have the GCash funds in partnership with Atram. Also, we have AB Capital as a partner for investment. Insurance tech is really, really needed for your negosyo. I'll discuss that later on in detail. Cryptocurrency, you can buy for those that are early movers of these things. You can easily buy crypto as low as 50 pesos. And of course, what I mentioned earlier, the Philippine stocks. The second use case or the last two use case, the borrow. Sino dito ang alam ang G-credit score niya? Anyone? Okay. Yes? You know kung ano yung G-credit score ninyo? Okay. Sino dito may G-credit na? Gumamit ng G-credit. Gumamit ng G-gives. Yes. Okay. Nag-G-loan. Ito, yes. Okay. Okay. We actually assess your usage in the app through G-credit scoring. Okay? It's an algorithm. It's machine learning. Track namin how you spend and how you pay. And then dun yung reference namin on how we can increase your credit limit. Right? If you are inside the app and you are loyal using the app, you can avail of these things, especially para sa inyong negosyo. I'll discuss this later on further for you. And lastly, if you have an e-commerce platform, you don't have the resources to create your own app, right? To create your own database or to create your own user base. Right now, if you're familiar with GLife, we have a mini program inside our GCash where you can include your business there. It's like a Food Panda, Grab, right? And other apps that they order and then you deliver. If wala kayong infrastructure, meron kaming partner developers who can do it for you. We have Bookie.com, we have AUB, who can create it for you. Now, you don't need to invest on software, you don't have to invest on resources, it's on a subscription basis. You will all know all these things on our website. But today, I will focus on these grow and borrow use cases. All right. So as an entrepreneurs, just want to let you know that right now, we've grown our user base from, you're right, nagsimula kami ng 2020 sa 41 million. Baka yun yung huling na ni Sir, 41 million when the pandemic hit. And we always we increased technically 1 million every month since then. We have 6 million, we have empowered 6 million merchants and social sellers where everyone is now receiving GCash. And we have 935 small-scale community merchants. And in venues like this, thank you to Phil SME, we were able to reach out to many communities. We've partnered so much with Go Negosyo, Happy Noy, Phil SME, Franchise Pinas. And through this partnership, we were able to gain these numbers. Dahil doon sa mga partnership namin, we were able to learn about our customers, about your customers, right? Because this is all digital, we were able to learn and build products based on what you need and also your customers need. And we've learned a lot of stories during in the past three years. No? So if you're familiar with Kokoy, he was able to build his own coffee shop because he was able to avail of our G-Loan in beta phase. We've championed pride and perseverance. We championed inclusivity, right? We've worked with a lot of segments in the past and local entrepreneurs like Mrs. G from North Luzon, that we were able to partner with them. They did a lot of partnership with me, and they are the believers na because they've partnered with some fintech and not only with GCash, right, with other companies like this na pinagsama-sama ng Phil SME, they were able to grow their business. So this is really essential. And we are thankful that, a lot of Filipinos, a lot of entrepreneurs are now gearing toward and adapting to these changes because it's really your customers that are dictating your product and also your services, right? So having said that, did you know that 1 in 5 transactions, they use GCash na? Diba? Madalas ba sa inyo tinatanong, tumatanggap ba kayo ng GCash? Yes, right? Tumatanggap ba kayo ng GCash? Anong sinasagot ninyo? Yes. Parang tanong lang, alam ko marami sa inyo nagtatanong, ano ang difference nitong send money sa ino-offer nyo sa booths nyo kanina? What is GCash for business? No? So, that's what I am going to talk about next, right? I know everyone, mas convenient sa customer nyo mag-GCash. Ang tanong, mas convenient ba for you to accept GCash payment? Majority of us uses personal wallet, and we don't know that we now offer GCash for business, right? Because these are the threats on our negosyo, okay? Cash handling concerns, sales tracking challenges, pag send money nahahalo sa personal wallet, yung sinasabi ni ma'am, nafo-fraud siya, naloloko siya, manual settlements, di ba? Pagdating sa hapon, kailangan i-connect, picturean muna yung transactions, diba? Kasi kailangan may peace of mind nga na talaga nag-go through. And, of course, pag nagtanong kung may GCash kayo, ang sasagot nyo, wala. You're behind the trend, right? And I know why you are here is you want to learn about these things. Okay? So, we will answer that one. Okay? So, we'll make it easier for you, right? When you go there, ang fill upan nyo lang is the application form and we'll give you a lot of documents. Sinasabi naman, bakit maraming documents? Because we are BSP regulated, kailangan po, requirement po sa atin ng BIR and BSP yung mga documents na yon. So, I'll discuss today 3 things. Easy yung pagpili ng mga services na makakatulong sa inyong negosyo. Easy ang pagbayad para sa mga suppliers nyo. And easy ang pag-access. Okay? So easy ang pagpili. I've discussed the scan to pay. This is really important that you need to have as a business entity. So that nahihiwalay nyo yung tamang pera na para sa negosyo nyo at sa personal wallet nyo. Kasi ito, kahit iwan nyo to sa tindera nyo, safe yung pera nyo. Hindi niya may uuwi, hindi niya maita-transfer, right? And you have access to 92 million GCash users that are looking for merchants accepting GCash. Second is we do have G-Loan, right? For the G-Loan, you have an opportunity to give you a lower rates, mas easier if compared to going to the bank because you have your own credit scoring with us. And lastly, our G-Insure, okay? For Scan to Pay, it's easy to set up. There's no setup fees. On the onset, we don't charge you for setup fees. We will provide you a QR code. We will provide you a phone where you can receive notification of successful transactions. The only fees here is the convenience fee, right? But the convenience fee compared to the peace of mind naman na maitutulong sa inyo, I think it's really worth it. For example, at the end of the day, tumanggap kayo ng cash, magko-close kayo ng kahera, sasabihin nyo sa kahera, Madam, ibangko mo na yan bukas, pakideposito. Yung pamasahe niya, papunta sa bangko, yung pagkuha ng pera, yung safety ng pera bago pumunta siya sa bangko, mawawala na lahat yon because all of the transactions given to you via GCash will be transferred free to your nominated bank account. Accessible payment dashboard to trace your transaction. Your money is safe with us. Your transactions is safe with us. You will be provided with a dashboard or merchant portal where you can see real time wherever you are. Makakapagbakasyon na kayo. Hindi nyo na kailangan balikan yung tindahan nyo to get yung end of day sales ninyo. Increase sales by providing additional payment avenue. Based on our data, those that are accepting e-wallet as payment, as mode of payment, increases their basket size by 34% compared to a cash paying customer. You know why? Because we have our lending services for the consumers. We have G-Credit para sa mga petsa de peligro. Diba? Ito yung revolving fund. Parang credit card to. May 2,000 ka today, ginamit mo sa Happy Grains, right? Ginamit mo, babayaran mo bukas, babalik ulit sa yung 2,000. It's a revolving fund. Meron din tayong G-Give. So because of these services, tumataas talaga yung basket size. Yung tamang dapat, iPhone 6 lang yung bibilin ko dahil may G-Gives ako, bibilin ko na yung iPhone 15. Ganon yung mentality ng mga customers natin ngayon. Okay. Next is, I think all of you are familiar with the customer journey. Sa customer, pupunta ako sa tindahan ninyo, bibilin ko yung goods ninyo, pambabayad ko GCash, pengeng QR, iscan ko, tapos i-scan ko, i-check nyo yung cellphone na binigay namin kung pumasok, tapos na. Pareho lang siya ng oras kapag nagsukli kayo. Okay? Nagbilang kayo ng sukli. Sa merchant journey, ito yung sinosolve ni GCash Business. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na hindi na dapat mahirap sa inyo. Kasi ngayon, napupuno yung personal wallet nyo, 3 yung personal wallet, na tagpa 500. Hassle. Di ba? Hassle mag-transfer, hassle maglabas ng money. With this journey, matatanggap nyo yung pera, hindi kayo na-hassle na pupunta ng bangko. It will be credited the next day to your nominated bank account. Transaction reports, 2. Merchant portal for the real-time transaction and via email for us end-day transactions. Okay? So, it is making it more easier for you to to monitor or track your transactions. Next is, ang easy ang pagbayad, right? Kailangan nyo na ng pangkapital. For our G-Loan, there's an easy cash up to 200,000. You can receive cash within seconds and pay in 5 to 24 months. The interest varies based on the tenor also. Okay? So, unfortunately, compared to other banks, our G-Loan, you cannot apply for a G loan compared to when you go to the bank. This one, that's why we encourage you to also use your personal wallet because we also monitor your transaction inside the wallet. Ito ba talagang may pera na nag-transfer to the bank, right? Those things, we get to assess how much we can lend to you. From time to time, you check your app. If you are using your GCash more often, check your app, go to GCredit, go to borrow icon, check your G-loan. Yan, si sir, nag-check na, nakita ko na. Okay? So, through that, right, you can avail of this. That's why I encourage everyone to use your GCash. Lastly is the G-Insure. Ito, hindi rin to masyado nabibigyan ng pansin. Okay? We now have our Negosyo Insure for as low as 160 pesos. Ano ang meron sa Negosyo Insure? Personal accident insurance, up to 50,000. Fire cash assistance, ito usong-uso to. Money securities and payroll, burglary and housebreaking. Pag nanakawan yung tindahan nyo, kahit maliit yan, na sari-sari store, pwede kayong mag-avail ng Negosyo Insure. And of course, medical reimbursement. May life insurance din siya. So, imagine, for 1 year, 525, pinang-Starbucks nyo lang yung 525 na yan eh. I encourage you everyone, go to G-Insure app right now. Mag-subscribe na kayo ng Negosyo Insure for your peace of mind. Kasi ito, hindi natin ito mape-predict. Tama ba? Do you agree that ito yung pinakamurang insurance para sa negosyante? Okay, so coming soon, we will be coming up our own kasi you are all becoming digital savvy. Mukhang nakikita namin ninyo na kailangan ng ahente para mag-apply kasi sa GCash na, meron na talaga lahat, right? It's becoming a super app. Okay, so soon, we will launch our GCash Pro para mas mapabilis pa sa inyo at one-stop shop na siya. Also, if you have more questions and you want to more, kasi because we don't have enough time today to go to the booth, just visit our website. And lastly, alam ko ito, mas gusto niyo itong pakinggan. If you want to have additional revenues for your store, ito na rin yung tayo nyo pwedeng mag-business ng cash-in. Okay? Maraming nagne-negosyo dito ng cash-in, ng gamit din Send Money Wallet. We call it GCash Pera Outlet. This GCash Pera Outlet, nasa loob din yan ng app. Did you know? Go to the app, go to the dashboard, select View All, hanapin nyo yung Pera Outlet. You can register your business so you can start tomorrow doing cash in and cash out. Meaning, yung cash in and cash out, you convert your cash to GCash. Importante to para mas mapadali ang buhay nating lahat. So, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You go to the GCash app, go to Pera Outlet, you can fund in for free from our distributors nationwide. Napupuntahan kayo. And offer GCash services to your customers. This is additional revenue for you para mas madami tayong kita. I think this is our last slide. Thank you for your time, everyone.
Fast and safe payments? Easy. With GCash for Business, it's easy to collect cashless payments and easy to pay fast and safe. GCash for Business. Experience easy.